ClickUp is primarily a task management and productivity platform, and it may not have native email sending capabilities. However, you can integrate ClickUp with email applications and services. Here's an approach to sending emails with ClickUp. Integrate email service. Connect ClickUp with an email service like Gmail, Outlook, or any other supported service. Check ClickUp's integrations or apps marketplace for available options. Create a task or document. In ClickUp, create a task or document related to the email you want to send. Assign the task to yourself or team members. And email content. Enter the email content within the task or document. Include the subject, body, and any necessary details. Attach files or links. Attach any relevant files or links within the task or document. Use comments or description. Utilize the comments section or task description to include additional email details or instructions. Set due date. If the email has a deadline, set a due date for the task. Collaboration and notification. Collaborate with team members by mentioning them in comments and use ClickUp's notification settings to keep everyone informed. Complete and archive. Once the email is sent, mark the task as complete or archive it.